Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic OnlyOffice document tutorial how to delete a page. There are two options to create page. First, you can press enter buttons to create new paragraph and then create the new page. This or the other, you can use page break. You can click at this paragraph and then go to insert, click on break. So we have these three page, and if you want to delete the page you can active for the paragraph mark to view the paragraph and break. Go to home and then click these icons to active. So we have this page break, and then this is for the paragraph. If you want to delete the last paragraph, you can click at this point and then press delete button like this, so it will be delete the last paragraph. And if you want to delete another, you can delete this page break. I will click at this point and then you can press delete button to delete the page break. So the page break will be delete and then you can delete again the paragraph. Okay, that's it for basic OnlyOffice document tutorial how to delete a page. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.